Hello, good morning. So now I want to show you guys this MPT-284. It's a Manbily brand kind of boom tripod thing lah. So I'm gonna sell this in one set together with these two thing here. So give a close up of them in case you want to see the details. Alright. So this is the other one. So we got two. Then you can see the screw is a special screw type which allow fast and easy adaptation from 1/4 inch screw to 308 screw mount. And then comes with a ball head. It's pretty standard there. Okay, so besides that, there's the legs. So these are the legs. Yep. So for the legs, how you adjust them is actually quite ergonomic. You just press down here, then you can adjust the leg like to be, like let's say you do a low angle, then you just like press it down, then you do it. Yeah. Maximum is like this. Alright. So here, this part can actually rotate. See? Yeah. So besides that, can't think of anything else to show you because it's a pretty basic product. I mean, like in terms of like features to show you, because it functions as a thing to hold your camera or your equipment lah. So it does its job, and yeah, I think it's pretty good in that sense. Okay, so there you go. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.